All right, what's up, guys? So I'm very excited to announce that we're going to give a free Forex for Beginners course. Um, this course, you will learn all the basics you need to know that are available for free on the internet, but we would like to make it very structured for beginners because there is a lot of information out there, and we basically want to lay a great foundation for beginning traders so that they can develop more quicker and learn from their mistakes in a better way. So, first, the risk disclaimer. All right, so this is going to be an introduction webinar about what you can expect. So first I'm going to talk about why we're giving this course, then what to expect, how to follow it, and if you have any questions, how to contact us. So why this course? Basically, I already spoke about it in the beginning. We wanted to make a course for beginners for free to give them the basics, because we at CDFX Trading, we offer one-on-one coaching, but we only teach advanced concepts, and you really need a good basis before you apply to work with us. And we noticed a lot of people don't really have that good of a basis. They don't master the basics. They've learned one concept from 10 different people, so they are very confused, and that really bothered us. So we wanted to make a free course with a clear path to really give people a stable basis and to basically prepare them for the things that are coming next. So let's say you are going to follow our one-on-one coaching, you have the right basis. And we don't say you have to follow our one-on-one coaching, but in general, it's good to have the right basis, because otherwise you will make mistakes that will cost you money that you really don't need to make. So this course is also developed because there are a lot of marketers out there that sell the basics. They charge you a few $100s just to learn the basics, and we really think that's a lot of bullshit. So we decided to make this free course, which will probably cover the exact same things people charge money for. So hopefully we don't piss people off, and if we do, we really don't give a fuck. So yeah, that's why we made the course. So what can you expect from the course? So basically the free course will be on YouTube, and every single week we will upload a new video. And this will be in a very structured manner. So this video, like I said, is just the introduction. Next week we will start with lesson 1. Week after that we will do lesson 2. And that's how it's going to be structured. So a weekly video in a structure that makes sense, so that you each time you learn something that you can apply after you've viewed it. The next point is support, because we believe that people need support. Everyone is different, and even if you teach the same concept to different people, not everyone is going to look at it the same way. Some people will get it immediately, some people will need some support. So there is some support, and later on in this slide, basically in the next slide, I will tell you how to get the support. So like I said, how to follow it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is CDFX Trading. You can just type it in, you will find the channel. And you can join our Telegram channel, which is at CDFX Trading. And in this channel, we post updates about the course and about our trading. And you can also contact me via Telegram. My name is in the channel, so if you have any questions and you want some support next to these videos, you can just contact me via Telegram, or you can just leave a reply below a YouTube video, and we will make sure to check it out. So yeah, that's basically the introduction. So a free course, weekly videos, a structured way, and an ability to ask questions and to move forward. What I do want to emphasize is that during this course, so the videos will be anywhere between 10 and 20 minutes, I think, depends on the subject. But it's really important to take notes. So don't just watch this as another YouTube video and click on the next video and watch it, because you won't learn anything. We really want you to learn something, so every time there is a new video out, drop everything. Don't do three things at the same time, but take a notebook, an empty one, and take notes on every single lesson, because that's how you're going to learn the most. If you are interested in what we do next to giving this free webinar, we do run a long-term equity portfolio with some commodities as well, and we do swing trade the Forex market. You can find more info about it on our website, which is www.cdfxtrading.com. And like I said, the YouTube and Telegram channel. So this is the introduction, and I hope a lot of you guys are going to follow it, because I think this is going to be a game changer in the Forex industry. This is really going to cover all the basics, the important basics, because there are some people out there that teach a lot of crap that you don't really need to learn. Because it's not about knowing everything, it's about knowing the right things for you. And that's what we are going to try to teach you. So yeah, hopefully you guys are going to follow the course, and I speak to you guys next time.